here is the reason why people can't get items deleted. Actually, two reasons. It's not having the end goal in mind, knowing what to do after your first disputes don't work. And then firstly, really backtracking of knowing how to even start it to set up to where you can get items removed. I've always been able to get results from this process and can guarantee it if someone works with me or if I'm doing the credit from the start, I can be able to get results because it's this simple build up. If you just sending letters in and not knowing what to do after the letter doesn't work or how to progress or even to say, you know what, am I disputing this in a way and do I have enough evidence to where the worst case scenario is I have to call them on their BS and we have to file a lawsuit. But if you're doing those things right and the evidence is clear, how many times do you think you're going to go to court? 0 times. Because it's a simple thing. You knowing how to spot the violation and you having the evidence to prove it. That is really only the simple thing that is missing in all of these credit repair process. Everyone is that go to someone and say, oh, it's this letter, it's that letter. But are you creating a paper trail enough to where you can use that letter in the event of a lawsuit?